Hello everyone, welcome to Wat Phnom tourism site. Wat Phnom is a symbol of Phnom Penh, capital of Cambodia. It is located in the middle of Phnom Penh city. Wat Phnom is a Buddhist temple. It is named after the wealthy window Don Pen who found the city in 1372. The legend have it that Don Pen built the temple to house Buddha statue in the capital city. Today, Wat Phnom is one of the most popular for pilgrimage and tourism sites, featuring the main temple sanctuary, a statue with King Ponya's ashes, and a statue of Lady Pen herself as well. Please enjoy my video clip from the beginning until the end. I hope you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for my new update. Thank you so much for your watching. Wat Phnom, it means that Wat is the pagoda, Phnom is the mountain. That's why they call Wat Phnom. Wat Phnom is surrounded by the tree. It is very beautiful and very good place for relaxing. On the top of the mountain, there is a pagoda with a beautiful decorations. It is very good place for the Buddhist perspectives. It is a Chinese church, and today a lot of Western tourists to visit Wat Phnom. Wat Phnom is also one of the more popular for exercise around these areas. It is a status of King Bernard. This area is one of the most attraction to the tourists in Cambodia, especially when the Khmer New Year they are celebrating around this area. Wat Phnom is surrounded by the tree and it is very good place for the settle. People go to relaxing and sitting, talking around this area. It is a status of Phnom Penh, the wealthy widow who found the city in 1372. This is all for my video clip today. Hope to see you again in the next video. Thank you so much for your watching. Bye bye.